this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the detection activity. In this lesson, you will use Python to code your Trashbot to detect suspicious behavior. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code a program that displays a smiling face until either button A or button B is pressed 3 times in a row. The Trashbot should then read suspicious and display a sad face. Step 3. Test. Test out your code. Does it work as expected? Try different combinations of button presses and evaluate your results. Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorm and code methods to fix them. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same tests as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? And do you understand why? Step 6. Reflect. What challenges did you face with this activity, and how did you overcome them? Is there anything you particularly enjoyed about this task? For more projects, visit trashbots.co/lessons.